At university, you'll complete a range of different types of assessments, which will vary based on your field of study. Some of these assessment types may be new, but many you will already have practice in. Different assessment types come with specific conventions or ways of writing and structuring your work. Most university assessments will come with a marking criteria or assessment guidelines, which reflect these conventions and help you to understand what the marker is looking for. If you can't find these documents, you can ask your tutor or lecturer. There are additional resources at university and online which can help you further familiarise yourself with the conventions of a particular assessment before you make a start. Essays are one of the most common assessment types at uni, so let's use them as an example. Writing an essay involves researching a topic, formulating a clear thesis statement, organising thoughts and ideas, and providing evidence and analysis to support your arguments. Essays usually follow a familiar structure. You'll start with an introductory paragraph, followed by a series of body paragraphs, each with a central argument, and finally a concluding paragraph. Many assessments will ask you to use and critically reflect on evidence to develop arguments and build on the work of others. When writing about ideas or evidence you've read, you'll need to employ an important academic convention called referencing. Referencing acknowledges the source of the materials you use in your writing and ensures honesty and credibility in your writing. There are different referencing systems used at university, each with their own set of rules. Remember to build in time when writing your assessments to understand the referencing convention you're expected to use and apply it. Being familiar with the different assessment types you will encounter will help you to excel in your university assessments.